I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily. How are you today?
Hi, Paul. I'm doing great, thank you. The sun is shining, and I had a delicious breakfast, so I'm feeling happy. How about you?
That's wonderful to hear, Emily. I'm good too, thanks. A little sleepy, maybe, but a good cup of coffee always fixes that, right?
Absolutely. And speaking of coffee, that brings us to our topic today, doesn't it?
It does. Today we're going to talk about real English at the coffee shop. It's a place many people visit every day, and it's a perfect place to practice your English.
Yes, exactly. Before we start, we want to ask all of you, our wonderful listeners, to please subscribe to Mr. English channel if you haven't already. It helps us a lot.
And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, a like on this episode. And please share it with your friends who are also learning English. The more, the merrier.
Thank you so much. Your support means the world to us. Okay, Paul. Real English at the coffee shop. This is a super practical topic for beginners, isn't it?
It really is, Emily. Imagine you're traveling, or you're in an English-speaking country and you want to order a coffee. What do you say? It can feel a bit scary at first.
Yes, it can, but it doesn't have to be. We're going to break it down and make it super easy for you. So let's start with walking into the coffee shop. What's usually the first thing you hear, Paul?
Usually it's a greeting, right? Something like, "Hi, what can I get for you?" Or, "Hello, are you ready to order?"
Yes, exactly. And what's a simple, polite way to respond?
You can say, "Hello," or "Hi there." And then, if you know what you want, you can say, "Yes, please, I'd like a..."
Perfect. So let's practice that. I'm the barista, Paul. Hi, what can I get for you?
"Hello. Yes, please. I'd like,
Good. But wait, Paul. There are so many types of coffee. How do you specify which one you want?
Ah, yes, good point, Emily. So you can add adjectives. For example, I'd like a small coffee, or I'd like a large coffee, or maybe a regular coffee.
That's great. What about different kinds of coffee? Like if you don't just want a coffee.
Oh, for sure. You have many options. A very popular one is a latte or a cappuccino. Many people also like espresso.
Yes. And what about if you want it hot or cold? That's important.
Yes. You can say, "I'd like a hot latte, please." Or, "Can I have an iced coffee?" The word iced means it's cold, with ice.
Wonderful. So let's try it again. I'm the barista. Hello, what can I get for you today?
"Hi, I'd like a medium hot latte, please."
Great job, Paul. And what if you want something to eat with your coffee? Many coffee shops have snacks, right?
Oh, absolutely. They usually have pastries. You can say, "And can I also have a muffin?" Or, "Do you have any cookies?"
Yes, or croissant. They are so good with coffee. So you can say, and a croissant, please.
Yes, exactly. So let's try a full order. Emily, you are the barista.
Okay, I'm ready. Good morning. Welcome to our coffee shop. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I'd like a large iced coffee, please, and a chocolate chip cookie.
Perfect. Very clear. Now, what about payment? What do you say when they tell you the price?
Ah, the price. They will usually say something like, "That will be $5.50, please." Or, "Your total is $8.
And how do you pay, Paul? Cash or card?
You can say, "I'll pay with cash," or "Can I pay by card?" Sometimes they'll ask, "Cash or card?" and you just say your preference.
Easy peasy. So let's put it all together. I'm the barista. That will be $7.25, please.
Okay. Can I pay by card, please?
Yes, of course. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much. And a smile is always good.
Yes. A smile and thank you go a long way. What about if you need to ask a question, like, where is the restroom? Or, do you have Wi-Fi?
Good point, Emily. For restroom, you can say, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?" Or, "Where are the bathrooms?"
Yes, restroom or bathroom are common. And for Wi-Fi?
You can ask, "Do you have Wi-Fi?" Or, "Is there free Wi-Fi here?" And if they say yes, you might ask, "What's the Wi-Fi password?"
That's super useful. People always need Wi-Fi. What if you want to sit down? Do you need to ask?
No, usually not. You just find a table. But if it's busy, you might ask, "Are there any tables available?"
Good phrase. Are there any tables available? And what if you want your coffee for here or to go? That's important.
Oh yes, very important. The barista might ask, "For here," or "to go." And you just say, "For here, please," if you want to sit and drink it there. Or, "To go, please," if you want to take it with you.
Excellent. Let's practice that. Paul, you order and I'll ask.
Okay.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a small cappuccino.
Okay, for here or to go?
To go, please.
Perfect. See how easy that is? Just a few simple phrases and you can order your coffee confidently.
Yes, and don't be afraid to make a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. The important thing is to try.
Exactly. And people working at coffee shops are usually very friendly and helpful. They understand that you might be learning.
True. Now, what about if you want something a little different, like more milk or no sugar?
Ah, customization. That's a good one. You can say, can I have a latte with extra milk, please? Or, could I have a coffee with no sugar?
Yes, extra for more, and no for none. Simple. And what about sugar and milk on the side?
Oh, yes. Some people like to add their own. You can say, can I have some sugar on the side, please? Or could I get some milk for my coffee?
That's very polite. Using please and thank you makes a big difference. Always be polite.
Absolutely. Politeness is key in any language. So let's imagine a scenario where someone is a bit unsure. How would you help them, Paul?
If I were the barista and someone was unsure, I would speak slowly and clearly. I might ask questions like, would you like hot or iced? Or small, medium, or large? To guide them.
That's very helpful. And as the customer, if you don't understand, it's okay to say, could you please repeat that? Or can you speak a little slower, please?
Yes, don't be shy to ask for clarification. It shows you want to learn.
What about common mistakes people make?
One common mistake is not saying please or thank you. It can sound a bit direct if you just say, I want a coffee. It's much better to say, I'd like a coffee, please.
Yes, I'd like or can I have are very good phrases for ordering, much more polite than I want.
Another common one is confusing for here and to go. Sometimes people just point, but it's better to use the words so you practice.
Good point. Use the words. Practice makes perfect. What if someone wants a specific kind of milk, like almond milk or oat milk?
Oh, that's a great question, Emily. Many coffee shops offer different milk options now. You can say, can I have my latte with almond milk, please? Or do you have oat milk?
Yes, many options are available. Soy milk, too. So if you have a special diet or preference, it's good to know how to ask.
Exactly. And the barista will usually tell you if there's an extra charge for alternative milk.
True. Sometimes there's a small extra cost. Okay, Paul, let's do a quick role play. You are the customer, and I am the barista. You want a large iced coffee with oat milk and a blueberry muffin.
Wow, a big order. Okay, I'm ready.
Welcome to our coffee shop. What can I get for you today?
Hello. I'd like a large iced coffee, please, with oat milk.
Okay, a large iced coffee with oat milk. Anything else?
Yes, please. Do you have blueberry muffins?
Yes, we do. Would you like one?
Yes, please. One blueberry muffin.
All right, so that's a large iced coffee with oat milk and a blueberry muffin. Your total is $9.50.
Okay. Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, you can. Just tap here, please.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Excellent, Paul. That was perfect. You were polite, clear, and used all the right phrases.
Thanks, Emily. It's all about practice, and it felt much easier when we broke it down step by step.
Yes, that's our goal here at Mr. English Channel, to make learning English easy and fun step by step.
What if someone wants to try a new drink, but doesn't know what to order?
That's a good question. You can ask the barista, "What do you recommend?" or "What's popular today?" That's a nice way to discover something new.
Yes, they often have special drinks too, seasonal ones. You could ask, "Do you have any seasonal drinks?"
Oh, like pumpkin spice lattes in the fall? Those are popular.
Yes, exactly. So it's not just about ordering, but also about engaging in a small conversation.
Right. And these small interactions are excellent for building confidence. Even if it's just a few sentences, it's a big step.
Wow, a big order. Okay, I'm ready.
Welcome to our coffee shop. What can I get for you today?
Hello. I'd like a large iced coffee, please, with oat milk.
Okay, a large iced coffee with oat milk. Anything else?
Yes, please. Do you have blueberry muffins?
Yes, we do. Would you like one?
Yes, please. One blueberry muffin.
All right. So that's a large iced coffee with oat milk and a blueberry muffin. Your total is $9.50.
Okay. Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, you can. Just tap here, please.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Excellent, Paul. That was perfect. You were polite, clear, and used all the right phrases.
Thanks, Emily. It's all about practice. And it felt much easier when we broke it down step by step.
Yes, that's our goal here at Mr. English Channel, to make learning English easy and fun, step by step.
What if someone wants to try a new drink but doesn't know what to order?
That's a good question. You can ask the barista, "What do you recommend?" or "What's popular today?" That's a nice way to discover something new.
Yes, they often have special drinks too, seasonal ones. You could ask, do you have any seasonal drinks?
Oh, like pumpkin spice lattes in the fall. Those are popular.
Yes, exactly. So it's not just about ordering, but also about engaging in a small conversation.
Right. And these small interactions are excellent for building confidence. Even if it's just a few sentences, it's a big step.
And don't forget to listen carefully. Sometimes they might ask you a question that you didn't expect.
True. Like, would you like any cream or sugar? Or are you part of our loyalty program?
Ooh, loyalty program. That's a good one. Many coffee shops have those. It's like a card where you collect points for free drinks.
Yes, you can say, no, thank you, if you don't want to join, or yes, please, if you do.
Wow, Emily, we've covered so much about coffee shops today, from greeting to ordering, paying, and even asking questions.
We have, and I hope our listeners feel much more confident about visiting a coffee shop in an English-speaking country now.
I'm sure they do. Remember, practice is key. Try to use these phrases when you have the chance. Maybe even imagine you're in a coffee shop and practice speaking aloud.
That's a great idea, Paul. Role-playing by yourself is a good way to prepare, or with a friend.
Yes, and if you hear someone speaking English in a coffee shop, try to listen carefully to how they order.
Yes, passive listening is also very helpful, just soaking it all in.
So, what's the main takeaway for our listeners today, Emily?
The main takeaway is don't be afraid. Start with simple phrases. I'd like a coffee, please. Build from there. And remember to smile.
Yes, a smile makes everything easier and friendlier.
Before we say goodbye for today,
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like, if you found it helpful.
and we would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below this video. Tell us, what's your favorite coffee drink? Do you prefer hot or iced coffee?
Yes, we love reading your comments and hearing about your learning journey. It helps us know what topics you want to hear more about.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Mr. English Channel. It was so much fun talking about coffee shops with you, Paul.
It was great, Emily. Always fun. And to all our listeners, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning.
Bye-bye.